Timmy, it's sleepy time.
No, I don't want to go to sleep.
Well, it's time.
No.
Okay, give me your iPad. I'm taking your iPad now.
No! Why you have to do that? Now it's your time to
Where
go.
did you get
in
this
your
gun?
own-
Man, I hope we find some big animals.
Yeah.
Look, there's a turkey.
Wait, chicken! Chicken! Yeah,
Yo-
turkey.
What
Oh
is
my
that?
god, big meat!
I think that's an orc. Oh my gosh, and you made him angry. Oh my.
Meat!
It's not meat! You
Oh my
are
God.
dying!
I'm gonna beat him up, you poopy monkey.
I don't think you're beating him up.
Son! It's time to get off your computer.
No!
Ow! Why you punch me? Now it's time to get that off now. Give me-
No!
Ow! Ow! I'm gonna send you to Jesus if you... I'm gonna send you to heaven if you punch me or bite me one more time. Can I get this? Ow! Wait, I'm gonna go get you some food. Wait.
Okay. Better get me the new McDonald's.
Anta? Do you have big
No
fishes?
witnesses.
I hope I get big fishy.
Me too.
Wait, what is this? What is this? It's very big, no!
Imagine getting so big fish. Oh shit! Oh!